In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the IKEA Room Planner, a fantastic tool designed to help you visualize and plan your dream space. Whether you're redesigning your living room, bedroom, office, or dining room, the Room Planner can transform your ideas into a tangible 3D reality. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most of this innovative planner. First, head over to the IKEA website, specifically to the Planning Tools section, where you'll find the Room Planner. If you're having trouble finding it, just type Room Planner into the search bar on the IKEA site to navigate directly to the tool. Once you're on the page, choose the type of room you want to design. Be it a living room, bedroom, office, or dining room, this initial choice sets the stage for your design process. Next, to save your work and make future modifications, you'll need to sign into your IKEA account. If you don't have one yet, no worries. A quick sign-up process will have you set up in no time using your email address. Now that you're logged in, it's time to select your room's shape and size. The tool offers flexibility with various layouts such as square, rectangular, or L-shaped. Input your room dimensions, including length, width, and height, to customize your plan accurately. Remember to add any doors, windows, or other openings to create a realistic depiction of your space. With your room outline ready, let's move on to furnishing. On the left-hand side of the planner, you'll find a menu of furniture and decor items. Drag and drop elements like sofas, beds, tables, storage units, and shelves into your room. You can also add lighting, rugs, and decorations to enhance the ambiance. The tool allows you to move, rotate, and resize items freely, offering countless possibilities to match your vision. Once you've placed your furniture, you can further personalize your space by changing colors and materials. Explore different wall colors, flooring options, and furniture finishes. The planner even lets you experiment with diverse styles and themes, from modern to minimalist or cozy. Notably, as you create, the planner updates the prices for all IKEA items included in your layout, ensuring you stay within your budget. One of the most exciting features is the 3D view. By clicking 3D view, you get to virtually walk through your room, adjust the camera to see different angles, and get a comprehensive view of your design. Now that your room is beautifully designed, don't forget to save your work. Save your design within your IKEA account for future editing or download your plan as a PDF. You can also share the design link with family, friends, or even professional designers for feedback. Before we wrap up, here are a few pro tips. For an optimal experience, use the planner on a desktop or laptop with a modern browser like Chrome or Edge. Additionally, you can combine the Room Planner with other IKEA planning tools like the Kitchen or PAX Wardrobe Planner for a complete home layout experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in making the most of the IKEA Room Planner. May your future spaces be as beautiful as you imagine.